eba FPNTV official. Ewo YouTube FPNTV official. Ewo Facebook. Enyumre agudie mu nsem ana ya boa no a yede ebremu. Ye be shasia ye shasia efri Manchester United. Na ehono na Ruben Amorim oye head coach edema Manchester United say ohwe last season said here omo esibo ball na season we a different crowd from pre-season, you know. Omo show omo pre-season omo ye na omo dun onu hu ni say pre-season we a different from last season. Ruben Amorim the nsem we nya atudwa abra ohwe West Ham 4-1 ewo the series pre-season match ekoso enumu na in central for ebusa ni say Amorim ye hwe last season ni ye hwe this season ye be hwe this season ase ensonsono ye ben ene ewom ana ode to ahwefo anim say well last season no when timi enya enough time to train and play with the players but season we there ono ana de omo hwe pre-season ase enti ye hwe good matches next season against ya ombesi Premier League nim. Ye moving on akwa your next story na story number 2 Alexander Isak one of the top strikers say omo Europe untimi embo strikers dina unyi Alexander Isak edin emfrim. Alexander Isak eba Newcastle Wabuama Newcastle improving mebre ama last season kra mutimi ball Champions League enumu na wasese say dia wabre opeso ye den oko different team na team ben na okwa Alexander Isak verbal agreement over on Liverpool was sign in terms of verbal agreement there wakache Liverpool say onya Liverpool team na obebo nti aka say Liverpool ebe send official bid Ediama Newcastle say omun striker Alexander Isak openon. Trending story number 3. Maybe moving on to some transfer news. And then the Arsenal and Manchester United transfers enkwana eba. Ye moving on Victor Gyökeres from Sporting was signing a 5-year deal at Arsenal the Gunners. Victor Gyökeres. MCR Victor Gyökeres where Zubimendi. Victor Gyökeres from Sporting CP was signing a 5-year deal at Arsenal. Victor Gyökeres. Ye moving on buy the better swama Ashafoni etiefo so ehu. Zubimendi Martin Zubimendi so from Real Sociedad signing a 5-year deal at Arsenal the Gunners. Zubimendi so deal done about Arsenal. You moving on to Nune Madueke. Yeah, so we can Club World Cup 2025. You know, Osina can add Chelsea, but they say we're moving on to Arsenal, a 5-year deal for Manuel Madueke. Yeah, moving on. Nienko Manchester United. Our Manchester United, I swear you know, Brian Mbeumo from Brentford was signing a 5-year deal at Manchester United. Brian Mbeumo from Brentford is signing 5-year deal at Manchester United. Matthias Cunha from Wolves. Also signing a 5-year contract at Manchester United. Matthias Cunha from Wolves also signing a 5-year deal at Manchester United. We are moving on now. You call the Ghana Premier League. Yeah. A league I bought maimu. Na last season Ashiegu no omuni sponsorship. Also league bia was sponsorship ano. Now for the past 4 years yaba Ghana Premier League without a sponsor. We anaket okreku ni team enya sponsorship from Adisa Production from Adisa Production. We end up Ghana League President Kurt Okreku enya a deal from Adisa Production Ediama Ghana Premier League. Now partnership na eba no almost say every Ghanaian league, every Ghanaian Premier League ebenya 1 million Ghana cedis, which is 10 billion before the start of the upcoming season. Almost patro say each Ghanaian Premier League bia wa qualify about next season Premier League no obenya 1 million Ghana cedis before the start, because aya edru some race na team owners ne omo that team no ano ebi enya skanyere em funding team no enti it's a very good idea say the GFA and Adisa Production akabom ese etua player team bia 1 million Ghana cedis titiskano 10 billion. You moving on your last story for the day. Alpha Lotos. Alpha Lotos are one of Ghana's leading lottery operators. They say money Asante Kotoko yako agreement. So next season omo ebe sponsor omo. Enti Alpha Lotto will be by the close of next week there maybe na agreement no are done for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Enti next season so Alpha Lotto ewo Kotoko shirt ho Kotoko niema ho a na sponsorship deal Kotoko for eso ayede enya ewo Alpha Lotto. Aha say ana brebe mo akwan amayede sports salad na esi medin ede Oppong Boateng.